Faithfull brand is synonymous with woodworking tools and offers top quality products for all your woodworking needs. And this plane set is no exception. Here on Real Deals for You, we have two of the most popular Faithfull wood planes, the number 4 plane and the number 60.5 plane. Supplied in their own zip-up canvas bag to protect against damage in transit or storage, and at an excellent price for Christmas. Designed for smoothing and final finishing, the number 4 plane has a cutting width of 50mm and an overall length of 250mm, with a top quality grey cast iron body, traditional wooden handles and a guidance knob for user comfort, and a solid brass blade adjustment nut to complete the appeal of this popular tool. The 60.5 block plane has the iron set to 13.5 degrees and is particularly effective on the end grain and plastic laminates or for single hand use. The low angle 35mm wider cut with fully adjustable mouth makes easy work of coarse or fine shaving. This plane twin pack on Real Deals for You is great value and is manufactured to the highest quality, making it a must have for any woodworking workshop.